Okay, let's just straight quickly dive into the topic. We have this what is in my phone with this December 2023 edition. I'm using Pixel 7a device stock Android, and if you're wondering which the widget this is right now, a lot of users are using right now, and if you are not aware of this one, this widget is inspired from the latest Android 14 and it's available with this icon pack, and the icon pack name is Pix Material U. You can find it on the Google Play Store. We'll provide the link in the description for that. You can choose any widget according to you. We have iOS style widgets available. If you click on widget settings, you will see the latest Metro widget which is available in Android 14, because these widgets look cool even in the lock screen, but if you apply it in the home screen, this also looks quite good. This is the icon pack. The icon pack name is Pix Material U Light Dark. As I just mentioned, I will provide the link in the description so you can find it very easily on the Google Play Store. By the way, this icon pack is paid, so you have to pay to install this thing on your device. In this case, if I show you the safety net, because this also matters. By the way, if you are also seeing this kind of integrity API error, let me tell you how you can fix that. But firstly, this is my safety net attestation report. My safety net is passing by default, and that is why I was able to tell you that my device is not rooted. I have not rooted my device, and of course I'm also wondering how I'm using a device without simply rooting my device. And here, if you're able to notice the play integrity, because the API error was here, you can simply enable the developer options in the Google Play Store and find how is your play integrity. Is it fixed or it is not? You can find it very easily through Google Play Store. And if you don't know how to enable developer options, I made a dedicated short video on this one, that how you can enable developer options. By the way, you can simply do it by clicking on the build number, the Play Store version number in the Play Store settings, because this is not the device developer options. In case if you're looking forward to music app, I'm using Black Hole Music Player. Why so? Because yes, I have the YouTube Music Premium already, but I'm still using this one, because if I want to download any music on my device storage, this is so useful thing. We have many other alternatives available. InnerTune is also great. We have Vibe Music. We have some other options available, but I mostly use Black Hole. This looks good and it's quite familiar. I'm familiar with that one, so that's why I'm using. Zen Music is the music player, which is offline music player I'm using. If I go to settings option, try to rescan the music which I just downloaded from Black Hole, as you can see, it's there and I can play these songs. This music player is quite good looking, simple, materially looking, without any ads, open source music player app, and that is what I'm using right now. Also, the app is Black Hole, which is quite popular. You can find it on the GitHub for free. One more app I'm using right now is Shelter. What is this? This is regarding to app cloning. In custom ROMs, if you use custom ROMs, you have the option for cloning apps, but because I'm using stock Android, which is my Pixel device, the cloning app feature is not present here. So in that case, it simply creates a work profile and I can use that. This is an alternative for Island app, which I was previously using some time ago. But why I'm using this one right now? Because firstly, it is free, and secondly, it is open source app. Third, this is available. We have some extra options available in this one, like install APK into Shelter. We also have the option to freeze the apps in the work, and this is one of the great features of this one. I'm also using VPN, by the way, and which VPN I'm using? This is Proton VPN, quite famous, quite popular, and not using any paid subscription of this VPN app, because I use VPN only few times in a week, so a free version is quite useful for me. This is, as you can see, I'm using Proton VPN free. It is having some free locations and I can select from multiple servers. Many options are available, and this is one of my favorite VPN apps of all time. You can find out some other VPN apps very easily, but Proton VPN is the VPN which I use on my device. Also, I use it on my PC, and that is why I'm using this one. Another thing is the updates. My device is getting the QPR updates because I enrolled my device into that, but I'm not exactly using that right now. I made a video on that quarterly perform release, which is just released yesterday. But the thing is, I still use the default stock Android 14 base. I don't use beta versions, because beta version was having one bug regarding the fingerprint unlock in my previous update. Because this is my daily driver device most of the times. That is why I use the default one, the stock Android, without using any beta versions. Speed meter is one of the things a lot of users were looking forward to. This is Internet Speed Meter Lite, available for free on Google Play Store. 99.9% of the times I use this app. Why so? Because this brings me very useful things. I also have the data usage options available, which is not available by default in my device because I'm using stock Android. As you can see, Wi-Fi, mobile, how much data I consumed, how much gigabytes, how much megabytes, every data is already available here. So these are the things which are available in my device. I'm using on my device things, and my device is not rooted, the music player, etc, etc. These are things I just wanted to let you know. If you are wondering why I'm not using custom ROMs, firstly, this is my Pixel device. It is not having much custom ROM support. If custom ROMs are available, I use that, but because the default Pixel stock OS is actually quite good, and I mostly love stock Android. If you ever watched my channel previously, you know that I love stock Android based ROM, so I use this one because without having any issues, this is working fine. These were things I just wanted to let you know. Thanks for watching and goodbye.